Imagine wanting to have a say in your community, but feeling unheard. As a single parent juggling 2 jobs, you barely have time for yourself, let alone filling out long surveys or attending town halls. Even when you do participate, you never hear back. It's frustrating, exhausting, and impersonal. But what if technology can change that?
Introducing EngageSense, an AI-powered platform designed to make public engagement accessible, interactive, and impactful. Hi, we are Vraj.
I'm Henis.
And we are excited to present how EngageSense could and will revolutionize public engagement.
So one of the problems we face in today's world is that public engagement is broken. Low participation rates, inaccessible consultation processes, and inefficient feedback handling, leading to biased decision-making and a lack of trust in policy outcomes. Governments struggle to capture diverse voices, and policymakers drown in unstructured public input, making it hard to extract meaningful insights. You can see here that back then in around 1970, the voting turnout for Canadian citizens was very high. It was over 75%. But over the years, the voting turnout has been going down significantly. For the last election cycle, it was down to 64 or 65%, which is very low. And this is due to public engagement that is being challenged due to fatigue, laziness, and just public disinterest in engaging in government activities.
So the key features that our solution provides are: we use smart prompts that ask the right questions to the users that can potentially help reducing the survey fatigue. We also have a multi-model input that accepts voice, text, and visual submissions. The next essential component is inclusive and secure verification, ensuring authenticity without barriers.
And our software also provides real-time data intelligence. It clusters feedback instantly, highlighting trends and key concerns for policymakers, and encourages participation with a point-based system, rewarding high-quality contributions. Behind EngageSense AI, there's a cutting-edge technology that ensures efficiency, security, and inclusivity. Some of the components include AI-driven conversational interface, and then another component would be machine learning sentiment analysis.
The next component which we have is behavioral biometrics verification. The next thing which we also have is blockchain-backed data integrity, which is the most essential component. We also have multi-platform accessibility. We don't just have an idea. We have a structured plan to bring EngageSense to life and make public engagement more inclusive.
So we decided on dividing our product implementation into 3 phases. For our first phase, we plan to test our product on small-scale city consultations. For our second phase, we plan to expand our product implementation from a small scale to a larger scale community.
And the last phase is going to be where we're going to fully deploy our software product. So this is our design of our platform. As you can see on the left-hand side, we have a navigation bar with a dashboard, chat, analysis, profile, and achievement. We have basic components such as the engagement stats. We also have trending topics going around citywide or nationwide. On the right-hand side, we have recent activities of all the other users. And the main component is the community sentiment map. It shows a live map with different components such as traffic, safety, urban development, and it shows in the community which part has the most public engagement.
So here we have our AI assistant, which we have actually tailored it to only give out prompts related to increasing public engagement, which is very good because general AI assistants only answer general questions they have, but for our users, they can answer based on how they can increase their public engagement, they lose their fear of talking in front of people, or build up their interest in engaging in government activities or any community involvement, anything like that. So you can ask and it can give you immediate responses right away.
But here next we have the analysis part, where we have these subcomponents called sentiments, topics, trends, and comments. So based on the chat with the user and the AI assistant, it shows the analytics of how the sentiment distribution is done. It's particularly deviated towards the public engagement. So here you can see we have different topics of the public engagement, whether it is transportation, housing, education, public safety, or environment.
So to make our platform more engaging, we've added this achievement area in our profile section. So users can see their credit score, see how much interaction they're getting with the chat, and they can earn badges based on their interaction with the chat. Like if their questions are specific towards public engagement, they can earn active citizen, thought leader, or early adopter badges. And there's many more as you go along the way. But it gives you a credibility score based on how they interact and where they're at based on their public engagement level. So public engagement should not be limited to those with the time and resources to attend meetings. It should be easy, inclusive, and impactful. EngageSense ensures that every voice counts, every concern is heard, and every decision is informed by real public input. For the first time, a resident can just record a voice message and they have AI transcribe it and analyze it and get a direct update on how their input shaped policy. This is not the future. It's what EngageSense is building today.
We're not just solving a problem, we're revolutionizing how governments and communities communicate. More voices, better data, smarter decisions. Join us in making public engagement truly inclusive and intelligent. Let's build the future of civic participation together. Thank you.